How to fix slow boot time on Windows PC. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, we'll be seeing how you can easily fix slow booting or startup on your Windows PC. Let's get started. First thing you have to do here is check for Windows Update. Windows updates often causes slow booting time if you don't update your software in time. So go over to settings and go to Windows Update. From here, you want to go ahead and check for updates. Click on it. If there are any updates available, you want to go ahead and install the update and restart your PC. I was going to show you all of the available updates. You can just go ahead and click on Install All to install all of the updates. Once that is done, close everything out. Now you want to go ahead and open up your Task Manager. For this step, right-click on the taskbar, and then you'll find the pop-up. Click on Task Manager. It's going to open up your task manager from here. On the left hand side, go to the startup apps. And if there are any startup apps enabled, just right click on it and tap on disable. Make sure you disable all the unnecessary startup apps. So what it's going to do is it's basically going to uh, make your boot time faster. Once that is done, close everything out. And then you want to turn on fast startup on your control panel. Go ahead and search for control panel and make sure the view by is selected to large or small icons. Go to power options and then on your custom power plan, you can select this left hand side where it says choose what the power buttons do. Once you click on it, make sure that the turn on fast startup is this is checked and turned on. If you can't access this, click on change settings that are currently unavailable. You should be able to get the shutdown settings now. Make sure this is enabled. Tap on Save Changes down below, and you should be good to go. Close it out, and then restart your PC once. Once you restart your PC, it should turn on pretty quickly compared to your time before. That's it for this video, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Hit the like button down below and subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next one.